Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily merge multiple PDF files into one on your Android. The best part is you don't need to use any third-party apps for this. To get started, open any web browser and search for I love PDF merge. Then, select the first link that appears. Here, click on this Select PDF Files. Now, go ahead and select Files or Media Picker option. In this menu, find the PDF files you want to merge. Long press on the file to select it. Now, select the second file. You can also select more PDF files if you want, then, tap the Select option at the top. After the files are uploaded, tap the Merge PDF button. Wait for a few seconds and tap this Download Merged PDF button. Once it is downloaded, you can open it and share it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.